Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the basic box. As you can see, there's the name. I am guessing this is full of pumpkin spice lattes. Just guessing. No, I have no idea what's in here. So, here's some cool information about this box. They have 2 subscription options. I don't know which one this is, but I'm guessing it's the regular basic bitch box. That's only $19.98. This could be the super basic B box, which is $37.98. But think about the price range there. That's a really good price. And they do have a coupon 15 off for a discount at checkout. So the $37.98, the super basic B box, is over $100 in items, and then just the original box is over $40 in products. I love the box. It's super cute. Actually, my girlfriend came over one day and she saw this. She's like, "What's in there?" I'm like, "We can't look. We can't do that, girl." She's like, "Oh, I can't wait till you got to tell me what was in that box." So she's like waiting. She's just anticipating. And of course, I've got my friend here, Swifty. This is Swifty. Everybody asked her name. This is Swifty. She's 11. She's older than my oldest child. I got her the summer before I had Penelope. So yeah, she's my pal. All right, I did adopt her. Just so everybody knows. All right, so here's what it looks like. And then it says, hey girl, hey. All right, and we're going to open this baby up. And it says, "Hey there, ladies. I hope your summer is off to a great..." Oh, this is going to tell us what's in here. It doesn't say which box this is, so I'm going to have to do the price breakdown on my blog. And then we'll find out. I think this is the regular box, though. Okay. Or maybe not. I have no idea. We're going to find out. So here's what it looks like. Our first item is this little bag. I'm guessing this is like a little makeup bag. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Oh, don't get too excited. So there's this. It says, "Hello, gorgeous. I love the gray and the gold." This is like my motif in my living room. Let me see what I can tell you about this. There were 4 or 5 different pouches that you could have gotten. Perfect for makeup and work supplies alike. I have taken this on a trip with makeup, and I have also carried supplies in it for offsite business meetings. However you decide to use your new Hello Gorgeous pouch, you will not be disappointed. This item is from Claire and Bella Company, based out of Illinois. So they do use some handmade, like small type businesses. Let's look inside and see what it looks like. It has like a gray liner. Very luxurious. It actually have this notebook here, which is funny. It matches my notebook. All right, moving along. Next, we have a tumbler. And this is totally perfect for summer. It says, "Aloha beaches." I was going to say that when I opened this video for that, but I didn't. All right, so, and there's a pineapple, and there is a straw in here at the bottom. This is actually, I don't have any of the, like skinny tumblers were a very popular trend about 2 years ago, and I got a million of them. I still have them. I don't get rid of them because my kids like to use them. They like straws. I don't know, whatever. But I finally have one that's normal size, which is really nice, right? Like, I could use that. All right, so let's see what we can find out about this one, this item. All right. Wait. Item, no. Oh, so there's 2 items from this company, but the second item is the Aloha Peaches tumbler. This will keep you hydrated during the hot summer. It's from Creations for K and C. Okay. Next we've got, looks like a pen, a Bling Pen. Oh my gosh, if I could ever open it. Oh, duh. All right, so it's got a huge like bling. Do we just turn it? And you turn it, it's rose gold, which is super pretty. What else do you know about this one? Is it on here? No, it's not. Not on there. It must be an extra. All right. So then we have these. Ooh, aren't these pretty? Oh, I love, are these, I don't even see these on the, oh, these coasters. I'm loving these. Oh my goodness, look. They're like mosaic, but they're not. They're like painted, I guess. Or I don't know what that is. Aren't they gorgeous? I love that color. So let's see what we can say about these. Stargazer Home Decor is the creator of these adorable handmade mermaid coasters. They are the perfect addition to any summer parties. Stargazer Home Decor has a large selection of other handmade items for very reasonable prices. They are based out of New Jersey. So that is that one. And then this is also from the company that made the Tumbler. It's an I Don't Give a Fluck koozie. This is hilarious. And we always, like, we have barbecues. I think I've told you guys about that. So these come in super handy. I have tons of them, and I like the ones that are really fun because, like, everyone gets to pick theirs, you know what I mean? And that's like a fun thing. All right, so here goes the most interesting part of this whole box. I think this, by the way, guys, I think this is the $39.98 box because there's just so much stuff in here. There's no way this is $20. I would fall on the floor. All right. So this, look at this, soaps, and is this a bath bomb? Ooh, oh my goodness. So this is from a company called Well Fed. We have a Beach Breeze soap. Beach Breeze is fragrance oil. It looks pretty. It's got like the sand, the green, the blue. That's a really pretty soap slice. Then we have a Mimosa Morning, orange essential oil, and champagne fragrance oil. I can't really smell them through the plastic, but isn't that pretty? It does look like a mimosa. All right, then we've got our bath bombs, which I'm super pumped about because I actually don't have any. I used all mine. I don't have to go buy some. This is the Go to Sleep bath bomb. So I'm guessing this is a lavender. Oh, it's sealed. I don't know, but it's super pretty. And then there's Stuffed on a Lego bath bomb. I think that's more of a fruity scent, maybe. So there is that. I'm super pumped about those. Yes. And there's so much. Well-Fed Family Farm creates handmade products to give yourself a break. Ingredients are all natural, and bath bombs and soaps are scented with essential oils for a relaxing experience. Only best for the basic bee. This amazing company is based out of Arizona. All right, and so finally we've got these candles from What the Fuss Candle Company, better known as WTF Candle Co. These are soy candle, 100% soy with no added dyes and only phthalate-free oils. WTF Candle Company is based out of Arizona. Their long-lasting candles will leave you wanting more. If your candle arrives melted, place it in your freezer for 5 minutes. All right, so first we have, oh my God, I can't wait. My girlfriend that wanted to see this box is gonna laugh so bad. This is a smoked vanilla. The name of the candle is Missionary Style, which I think is hilarious. It is, I've never had smoked vanilla. I've never even heard of that, but like, I don't know, I'm showing you. Do you want to smell? It smells so good. It smells so good. And it's, I think even my husband would like this, and he is not a fragrance guy. How many ladies out there have a husband that is adverse to anything? Anything that smells, like, so bizarre. I'm like, why do you not like that? It smells great. Oh, there's two. Oh, sweet. I'm going to give one to my friend. I think that's hilarious. She's going to love it. So that is everything that I received in the Basic Beach box. If you're interested in checking out my full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Basic Beach so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.